In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Excel file to Google Drive, making it simpler for you to store, backup, and share your essential data online. Google Drive is an incredibly convenient tool that's widely used for its accessibility and ease of use. Whether you're accessing it from a computer or a mobile device, it offers a seamless way to manage your files. In this guide, we'll walk through the straightforward process of uploading an Excel file to Google Drive using your browser, ensuring that you can effortlessly safeguard your spreadsheets and access them whenever needed. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. In the address bar, simply type in Google Drive or head over to drive.google.com. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll need to log in using your Google account. This is the same as the account you use for Gmail or any other Google services. If you're already logged in, you should see your Google Drive interface right away. If not, enter your credentials to gain access to your drive. Now that you're in your Google Drive, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Plus New. This is your gateway to uploading new files. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says File Upload. After selecting File Upload, a file browser window will promptly open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's directories. Take a moment to locate the Excel file you intend to upload. Remember, it can be in the format of .xls or .xlsx. Once you've found your Excel file, click on it to highlight it, and then press Open or Choose, depending on your operating system, to initiate the upload. As soon as you do this, the file upload process will start automatically. You'll see a small window at the bottom right corner of your screen displaying the upload's progress. The duration of this process will depend on the file size and your internet connection speed. Once the upload completes, the Excel file will appear in your My Drive section, and there you have it. Your Excel file is now safely stored in Google Drive. From here, you can organize it into folders, share it with others, or access it from any device with an internet connection. This method of storing Excel files ensures they are not only protected, but also readily accessible wherever you need them. Thanks to this guide, managing your spreadsheets has never been easier. Remember, using cloud storage like Google Drive keeps your files secure and gives you peace of mind knowing they're backed up online.